everything I do is bands jumping.
Amen. We back with another video. It is Monday, and I did take a small sale today. I know markets are closing early, so I wasn't really looking for too much. I didn't really think we were gonna have a lot of volume, but we did end up making some profit today on a quick move that I took on CL. Now I haven't traded CL in so long, and I did not send this to my Discord just because they do not trade CL. They usually only trade YM and or NAS or ES, one of them, sometimes gold. So I don't, when I trade CL, I don't really send that out unless it's just like one of them ones where I'm just like, this is a banger, this is A+, I'll probably send it out. But this one I just took on my own, especially because, again, Monday, right, we're already slow. It's already a day where we're having, markets are closing because we have a holiday. So I didn't really want to send this out. But again, banger W trade. Now, before I get into this trade breakdown, right, again, we are still doing live Monday through Thursday with the Discord. So if you're not tapped in, make sure you tap in. There's no reason why you should not be tapping in. Hit the link in the description to join the Discord, right? It's not expensive. You feel me? To me, it'd be an investment if you want to trade live stream Monday through Friday with a group of people. You know what I'm saying? We starting small, but at the same time, we growing. I'm talking with y'all. We having good conversations throughout this. It's not just a boring ass trading. You know what I'm saying? We actually are developing actual friendships throughout this. So if you want a like-minded Discord or just a like-minded group, and you feel like this may be for you, you like my vibe, you know what I'm saying, you want to chop it up, come through, hit the Discord, you know what I'm saying? So we can make some money together. That's all we're trying to do, 2025, make some money together. Also, I am working with, and I am now officially remember I told you I was working with the prop firm on the Forex side, and I do like what they're doing. So I'm officially now partner with them to kind of help you guys out. It's a new prop firm, so you be careful with that, in the sense of just do your own research. I have done my research, and so far so good. You know what I'm saying? Like I still want to kind of see what they're working with, but again, I can put my name with theirs as far as what they've shown me thus far. I don't know how it's gonna go, you know what I'm saying, moving forward, but thus far I give them, you know what I'm saying, 10 out of 10. I work with them as far as trying to figure out their brokers, as far as how they move, A1 brokers, spreads. You know how Forex gets. So those things you have to kind of put into play or think about, manipulation, all of that. I have not had any problems, and I kind of been working with them for a couple of weeks now, and I think they're good, and I'll help push them out. As long as they stay consistent, as long as they stay having that 5-star service. Again, I talked to the owner personally, so as long as he keeps that type of relationship and is for the traders, I will help push them out. So if you need to, if you kind of just want a prop firm, they have, I think 7% is for the 2-step is 7%, and then 4%. The 1-step, I believe. I'm not sure what the 1-step is, but they have 2-step and 1-step. Right now they're having a sale. So 10% off if you use my code, or if you just click the link in my description, 10% off, right? Also, another thing that they're wanting to do strictly for my Discord, right? Which means there's not a lot of people in my Discord right now. So if you tap in right now, you could be one of them ones. If you trade Forex, they are going to give away 100K account for free, as long as you are in my Discord, right? And you purchase any size account. So if that's a 10K, 20K, it doesn't matter. Any size account with my discount, and you're in my Discord, right? The rules are in my Discord, so you have to be in my Discord to even apply for this. They're going to give away on February 1st, which is 2 weeks from now, a free 100K account. All you have to do is join my Discord, right? Be in there at the time that we are doing the giveaway. So from now until after February 1st, you have to be in there, because that's who I'm picking. I'm picking throughout my Discord only. Nobody off YouTube, nobody off Instagram. If you're not in my Discord, you will not be in the drawing. By one of their accounts from I think it starts at 10K, right? Which is about $60 or somewhere around there. Don't quote me on that. You have to go look. And then you have to tag them with proof that you bought an account, right? Under my link, because it's going to show on Instagram. Again, all the details are going to be in my Discord, and you have to join between now and February 1st. So make sure y'all tap into that. I think it's a beautiful thing for them to give a 100K account for free. You know what I'm saying? For free. Like, tap in, man. Tap in. Again, they use MetaTrader 5 as well. And that's one thing I like about them. They still use MT5. So if you're not tapped in, tap in with them. But the reason y'all came here, let's get into this trade breakdown that I literally just exit out of. All right, y'all. So this is actually, like I said, CL. This was a quick scalp. Like, I did not want to hold this long. It did take longer than I expected, about over an hour that I was sitting in this. But it is what it is. Slow Monday, so that's to be expected. But the reason I took this trade was simply just because we are very bearish right now. As you can see, for the past couple days, let's go to the daily, we have been selling. I do believe we're probably going to tap into this fair value gap sitting right here. And that was the only reason why I'm like, okay, if I take any sales, if I take any trades, it's going to be a sell as far as CL goes, right? I did take this based off the 1 hour mainly. I waited till the 1 hour closed before I took this trade, but hold on one second. I waited for the 1 hour to close before I took this trade. All I was really waiting for is for price to show me that it was ready to fall, right? Like, I think around, I don't know what happened at 7 a.m. I don't know if we had any news or not, but at 7 a.m. we had a huge drop, breaking structure, right? So we end up breaking below and closing, not only breaking, but closing below this low. Now, if you know CL, I don't know if a lot of y'all are familiar, but if you know CL, when it moves, right? So you have to catch it when it's time. You cannot play around with it, right? So I wanted to take advantage of the volume that it did have at the time. When I saw that price decided to close below this low, I'm like, okay, whenever it gives me that sell opportunity, I'm going to get in. Now, originally, I wanted price to come up and take this high, then fall. But again, like I said, with CL, when it moves, and you just have to, put the correct risk on there just in case, and hop in when it shows you that it's trying to drop. So I end up getting in off the 5 minute. As you can see, price did retrace after closing below. It did retrace. Again, I wanted it to retrace a little bit higher, but you just got to take what you get with this particular pair. Once I saw price gave us this momentum candle on the 5 minute, then I was like, okay, I'm gonna get in here. This is where I'm gonna get in. The momentum of this particular candle right here was showing me that we wanted to go down. So all I did was wait for this candle to close, wait for my original stops were here above this candle here. And all I did was wait for some sort of retracement to get back in. That's all I did. There was no break of the candle for here, just because if I waited for the break of the candle, I would have got in down here. And that wouldn't have been, in my particular opinion, wouldn't have been a good RR, because I was only going for this particular low here. Maybe a little bit more depending on how price was moving. And as you can see, we played around for quite a bit, a good 15-20 minutes that we played around, came back up. The only reason I did not put my stops above this high is because I know CL likes to come up and take liquidity. So putting my stops here would have guaranteed me, just because, again, I know CL, right? It would have guaranteed me losing. And I knew since this is the last high, if I put it above this high, I know I'm wrong if price reaches and, takes me out. I know I'm wrong at that particular point. So, that was my high. I was aiming for this low, easy trade as far as what I was looking for, not that complex. Price broke a low on a higher time frame, waited for the next hour candle to give me a wick, right? A high hourly wick, which was in this area here, and then wanted price to continue down and take out the low. Literally, that's all. That's it. Nothing else to it. Again, as you can see, it played around for quite some time. I think this was a good hour that it played around. Almost an hour that it played around, about 45-50 minutes. Yeah, about 45-50 minutes. So we was in it longer than I wanted to, but at the end of the day, we got the dub. I didn't go for a full 2-to-1 just because, again, once price hit here, that's all I don't really care about what else it does. Once price hits here, it's no telling if we're going to shoot up or if we're going to continue down. So that was it for that one. Like I said, it was an easy trade. Nothing too crazy as far as what I was looking for. Today's Monday, so I wasn't expecting no crazy volume. I got in and got out as best I could. It took longer than expected, but got the W, and that's all that matters. But yeah, man, that's it. Let me bring myself back up. That's it. Same system, different day. At the end of the day, whether I'm winning or I'm losing, I'm gonna take the same trades. Again, I appreciate everybody who's been tapping in with me. It's been a rocky start to 2025 when it comes to trading, but we won't stop. You know what I'm saying? We got a whole 12 months to finish out the year and be positive and come out in the black. You know what I mean? So that's all I got. Again, tap in with the Discord. Link in the description. If you want a chance to win a 100K account, which, like I say, your chances are great considering there's not a lot of people that's going to be within that group that I'm, picking out of. So tap in with them. Again, all you have to do is purchase with my link, right? Because it's going to show on their side with my link and my Discord. Purchase a account, any size. It doesn't matter if you purchase a 10K account. I think that's the lowest. If I'm mistaken, it might be 5K. But purchase any size account with them, right? Let them know. I'm not gonna say all the details because you have to be in my Discord in order for you to see it anyway. But yeah, 100K account. If you want to be in my Discord, link in the description. Thank you guys for tapping in with me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.
Vibe blowing at the J, got the loud jumping at the pay. Everything I'm on slack. Everything I do is